Welcome to the product tutorials on how to allocate the time under a time distribution table available on your timesheet. I'm now logged in into the Replicon instance. Please observe that the tabs that you see on the top may vary from what you observe in your instance. These can vary depending upon what permission has been assigned to you in your profile. In this video, I would explain how the in-out time that's been entered on your timesheet, either manually entering the in time and the out time, or using a cloud clock device for punching in and punching out, or using the web for clocking in and clocking out that appears on your timesheet can be allocated to a time distribution table that's available at the bottom of your timesheet. Whatever time that's been entered on your in-out timesheet or the in-out table, you can go ahead and allocate that time to different projects, clients, and tasks. In order to do so, click on this Add Row button that's available under the time distribution table. For each day, the total number of in and the out time that you have entered will be available on the top of the table out here. This would let you know how many hours have to be allocated for each day. Now you can go ahead and select the client, the project, and the task that you have worked against. In case your organization demands the selection of activity, please go ahead and select the activity if it's available. Select any other field that's been configured by your organization, and then allocate the total hours that you have worked against this project for that particular day. It may not be necessary that you allocate the total hours against one project. So go ahead and add the total number of hours that you have worked against that particular project and press this refresh button. Though the timesheet refreshes itself periodically, you can go ahead and manually refresh the timesheet and observe that the total hours would appear out here. Now go ahead and add the next line, the selection of client, project, and task, and similarly the selection of other fields, and go ahead and add the other hours that you have performed against this particular project. Once you do all this, you have allocated for one particular day the total number of hours against the project, client, and task selection. You can perform the similar action for all the other days, and that's how the allocation of hours into the time distribution grid can be attained. Thank you for watching the video. Did you know that you can now get in touch with Replicon using Replicon Community? In order to access the Replicon community, go to the Replicon website and click on Customer Zone. On the Customer Zone, choose Community, and you would be taken to the community page. Now you can sign in or register and start posting your questions, queries, ideas, bugs, issues, and one of our product management team members or one of the Replicon representative will get in touch with you immediately.